Welcome, folks. Uh, Weekend market update, and market has created a really huge panic among the traders and investors. The world is just behaving like it's going to be the end of the world. But let's see what the price action or the waves are going to tell us. Okay, so just look through my previous analysis videos if you are new in my channel, and you can surely observe that we have found out these resistance area, and also we have mentioned the exact date from which this brutal fall has happened in the market. Many stocks has collapsed like anything, and so now what's cooking up? Okay, so see, let's start from these COVID low panic. From these, the market is in an impulsive up move, and these whole thing is wave 1, 2, then 3, 4, and 5 should follow. This is our assumption. Okay, so now this is all part of the bigger wave 3, which has started from 2008 bear market low. From that, we are in wave 3 and actually in the final stage of wave 3. Okay, so this is the final stage of wave 3, and for that, see, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and this is wave 4, which has started from these 27th September. Now, many people or web analysts have assumed that, and this is not, I am not blaming anyone, this is just the part of the game, that wave 4 has ended here and we are in wave 5. So if we are in wave 5, and if you count this as an impulse, which it is actually, this is an impulse, but we'll discuss about this later on. But first thing is that if you are assuming that this is wave 4 and then it is an impulse, then this is wave 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if then it should complete these full cycle, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from 2020 COVID crash low. And this is also a 5-year cycle, that is a very important market cycle which relates to the 60-degree movement of Saturn. Okay, so that's why so depression is coming in the market, because the market is not recovering at all. Now, if it is if wave 5 has completed here, then you should know that we should go much deeper. Okay, this fall may come much deeper, right? So in that case, there will be different scenario, but my assumption is that until this low is protected, okay, until and unless this low is protected, one can still assume that this is, so we are in wave 5 of this red wave 3, the 3, 4, and this 5 may do like this. Okay, may do like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, this way. And after that, a collapse may come. Okay, this way. This is called an ending diagonal structure, like this. Okay? Like this. We may end this impulse like this. This may happen. And for these, for this structure to be valid, price must protect this low. Okay, that is 21,743. This low should be protected. And in that case, we will shift our 5 here, and after that a bigger market crash may come. Okay, so now our first assumption that we are taking is that this is wave 3, this is wave 4, and this wave 5 may build up like this. So this is the first scenario. Keep it in mind. Now I am deleting this now. Again, another scenario may cook up, that is, you must pay attention about the wave pattern which Elliott wave may form. Okay, see here 2, wave 2, this is a complex correction. Okay, if I mark it, it is a 333 correction, WX, YX, Z. So wave 2 has already given us complex correction. So in that case, wave 4 should do a flat. See, this is a triple zigzag correction. So according to alternation of waves, wave 4 should give us a flat correction, or it may be a triangle. Okay, so if it is flat, then flat correction takes time, and which it is taking, then flat correction is of many types. Since these highs broken, so this is an expanded flat correction, that is a 3-wave down move to complete wave A. Okay, and then A, B, C to complete wave B, and then a impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should develop, right? This is called an expanded flat correction which breaks these price high. So see, this is A, B, C, and again this is A, B, C. This is also an expanded flat which comes in B wave. That is, it has broken this low and then recovered very fast, creating a bear trap. Okay, so this may happen. This happens in indexes because this is a very complex system, and you should pay attention in every moves. Okay, so here it may happen like this, and in that case, if this structure happens, then let's analyze this. Then this is 1, this is 2, right? Remember, the last C wave, as we mark it as A, B, and C. Okay, so the last C wave must be impulsive. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. So in that case, you can see it in your naked eye that this is 1, this is 2. The entire thing is wave 3, because wave 3 also comes in 5 wave subdivision. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will show you in a minute this count, this wave count, this the wave count of this impulse, and also show you how you can pinpoint this bottom. Okay, this bottom can be pinpointed using waves. Okay, so I will show you in a minute, but first pay attention that this is 1, this is 2, this whole thing is wave 3, then wave 4, and another low to complete wave 5. Because again, refer to this diagram. See, these wave C should break this wave A low. That is, this low should be broken. Okay. For that case, we will shift our wave 4 here, somewhere here. Okay. After this low is broken, if this low is taken out. Okay. Fine. So in that case, what is our immediate resistance area? That is, we must calculate a priori, and in that case, if we use Fibonacci retracement, then wave 4 can retrace between, since wave 3 is deeper, okay, so wave 4 can retrace between 23 to 38.2%. So accordingly, we have marked our resistance zone, and maximum tolerance is here, right? Now remove this. So here you can easily assume that price should visit this zone first, and I will show you why I am telling these, because this is a very beautiful reversal point of this trend, and in that case we are going to have a good bounce right from here, and these are the important resistance zones, okay, that you should keep in mind. And please note down these levels, that is 23,160, 23,773, and 24,260. These are levels coming out as per Elliott wave analysis. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, in that case we will go another low. We can make another low, right? So this is the situation if we are assuming that this is an expanded flat correction, and then wave 5 will start, right? Otherwise, this may be a complex correction also, and in that case, what I have marked here, see, first 1 A, B, C that you can see in your naked eye, then another A, B, and C. So this is W, this is X, and another A, B, C may come, or it has happened. Okay, in that case, price should complete the correction here only. Okay, in that case, we have completed A, B, C. But this C wave projection of this A wave, if it is A, this is B, and this is C, then this C wave projection has reached, has given too much downside. Okay, so this is not matching with this C wave projection, but it may happen because you cannot actually purely time or purely measure wave C, because it depends on various market situations and market conditions. So in that case, wave C may subdivide and make it a brutal wave. Okay, but in that case, we have made this bottom. So this bottom should not be taken out further, okay, until and unless we break this high. Okay, so this is the second scenario, and let's see what plays in the market. Okay, so for this scenario to happen, market must break these resistance areas that I have calculated for you in a fast manner, okay, with gaps and with fast manner. Until and unless this does not happen, there is a chance for another low in the market, which will break this low, right? Okay. So let me show you the count in a smaller frame. I have done this here. Just give me some time. I think I messed it up. It is. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So see, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and whole thing is wave 3, 4, and a classic ending diagonal structure to complete wave 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, or we mark it as A, B, C, D, E. Okay, these are overlapping waves, and after that, you can see, just take these 1, 2, 3 to project wave 5. I'm just showing you how accurately you can measure this. Okay, see, 50% level is coming exactly here. Okay, so you can time this bottom exactly. Okay, the price. And for time, there are several methods, but I am just showing you one very important method. This is astrological method of Gyan. That is, see, moon here, when the 5th January top was done, moon was at the rate 129 degree. Okay, and when the bottom is done, moon is at the rate 189 degree. After 3 months, from January to April, we have done a 3-month correction, and 3 month means 3 complete rotation of the moon, and 3 is a very important number for Gann analyst. And also at 189 degree, that is, this is 60 degree, which is called sextile. Okay, so this is a very, very important time, and price came exactly on support with this time, and you can see the bounce. Okay, now if you see the bounce in 5-minute frame or much more lower, okay, let's see it in 3-minute, then here it is. Okay, so you can see a clear 5-wave impulse that I have also updated in my group. If you are interested, you can join this group. This is absolutely free, and I just share market insights here. No buy sell recommendation has been provided in this group. So I've shared this, that market Nifty has done a 5-wave up move for the first time since January top. Okay, so here's it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so an ABC pullback should be expected. So our expectation is that market should give some pullback or correction in Monday's session, and after that, if this price zone holds, that is 22,480 to 22,460, then this is the key for the market for further upmove. Okay, so this is our short-term view in the market, and for these count to be valid, market must break these high. Okay, I'm pointing out this, that is 22,941 should be taken out. Then we can consider a pullback up to that I have discussed with you. This here. Okay, then we can expect pullback up to this zone. Okay, minimum. And if it breaks in fast manner, then I have discussed it with you. So I have discussed with you all the points that can unfold in the market, and also these are very important time periods. Just keep in your watch list. This is Monday, 6th April near 1 p.m. Okay, and another important date is, or time is 2 p.m. of 9th April, Thursday. Okay, so these are some important times, short-term or maybe very important, because in circle of 24, this is my calculation sheet. This 22,183 is standing at 154 degree in circle of 24. This is a very important wheel for GAN analysis, which indicates a trend change. And here, see, 154 degree is the price to degree conversion in circle of 24, and 150 degree sun will be 135 degree. That is a hard aspect with the price on this date. So we will monitor these dates, okay, in the coming days, and see what unfolds with the pattern we have discussed with you. Okay, so happy trading and be safe in the market. Thank you.